Here are today's top crime stories trending on Law&Crime.com and across the country. A mother in Wisconsin was arrested after she was reportedly caught on camera smashing the windows of a school bus. 33-year-old Megan Gumbus was charged with disorderly conduct after she allegedly attacked a school bus with her daughter on board. Her daughter was reportedly fighting with another student and called Gumbus, who tracked down the bus, cut it off with her car, and attacked it with a hammer. Gumbus's charges were downgraded after she paid to fix the doors and window on the bus. A babysitter in California was arrested after she reportedly left a child in a hot van while she ran errands and dined at a nearby restaurant. Helen Law of Alhambra was charged with suspicion of felony child endangerment. She allegedly left a 6-year-old boy in her care locked inside a sweltering vehicle for 2 hours that reached 120 degrees. The child was taken to a nearby hospital for evaluation. The South Florida man accused of killing his pregnant wife and her father was denied bond in Broward County. 22-year-old Cassandrix Blanc is charged with first-degree murder and abuse to a dead human body for the alleged murder of his 6-month pregnant wife, 20-year-old Martine Bernard, and her father, 68-year-old Roosevelt Bernard. Investigators were monitoring Blanc's activities after his wife's disappearance and reportedly caught him trying to dispose of her mutilated remains. Roosevelt Bernard's remains were found days before his daughter's. Blanc allegedly confessed to killing his wife because she disrespected him. Those were today's top crime stories. I'm Anthony Velez for Law and Crime.